Watermelons growing on a notebook, books wearing sunglasses, and a can of chips turning into an elegant pencil case on a chain? Everyone will find something useful and interesting in today's collection of life hacks for office supplies. For the first school idea, you will need a Pringles can and a piece of fabric. Hot glue the piece of fabric to the jar. Cover the lid with fabric too. Color the edges of the lid with black acrylic paint. Next, take a chain of 2 strips of cloth. Insert a piece of fabric in the outermost ring of the chain. Hot glue the chain to the jar. The result is a thin, shiny handle. Use stickers for decoration. Decorate the walls of the tube. Wow! Look how cool this pencil case ended up being! Roll up your notebook and place it in your fashionable case. There's also room for the rest of your supplies. It looks great! Hey, gorgeous! You don't look so good! Don't just throw away a broken Barbie. We have something special for her. Take a cardboard organizer for paper. Make a fashionable top from a piece of fabric. Measure your Barbie against the organizer. Her leg is clearly getting in the way. Let's get back to our organizer and take brown paint. Apply the paint with a foam sponge. Draw yellow stripes. Decorate the walls with curls and draw the details with a black marker. The curls look like rings on a tree cross-section, and the folder looks like a wooden ship. Hot glue your doll to the front of the ship. Glue a piece of fabric in the form of a dress. Make light waves from the fabric. Use a hot glue gun. Place books and magazines in the folder. A cardboard ship with a Barbie figure on its prow looks fantastic. This organizer is definitely one of a kind. Do you like to read but can't stop dog-earing the pages? The pages crumple and your favorite book looks old. To solve this problem, you need a piece of shiny foam paper and a coffee stick. Cut out heart-shaped glasses from foam paper according to a paper stencil. Hot glue the stick. It only takes 5 minutes, and then you'll have a whole bunch of cute bookmarks. Place the sticks between the pages and leave the glasses outside. The stick itself can be used as a marker for reading. Plus, these glasses make the book look smarter. Our ideas don't end there. Now we'll tell you how you can decorate erasers. Apply hot glue to the upper part with small, fast movements. Move up and cover the side with glue feathers. Make ears on the edges. Decorate the bottom edge with hot glue. Color it with brown acrylic paints. Paint the droplet that's sticking out in black. Attach googly eyes. Look what a funny little owl! Tint the brows with yellow paint. Also make a bunny and a red kitten. Removable hot glue can be used for any eraser that's small enough. It's nice when instead of regular boring erasers, you have such cute little animals in your pencil case. And for the next craft, you will need a flat lid and several glass test tubes. Hot glue the tubes to the lid. Arrange them in a circle on the glue. Next, take scissors and some twine. Measure out a length of the twine and cut it. Tie the test tubes with rope in several places. Tie the ends of the rope with a bow. You can use this glass to store office supplies. Arrange flowers in the miniature vases. Place pens and pencils in the free tubes. Your office supplies don't look strict and formal when they're next to flowers. And this gentle stand for the office will look great in an eco-friendly room. To start the next craft, create a stencil on paper. Draw an elegant flamingo in one line. Take a metal wire. Apply the wire to the sheet and bend it following the pattern with pliers. Bend the base in a square. By the same principle, make a heart from a wire. Take a wooden bar. Fasten the crafts to the wooden base using a hot glue gun. Now your room will be decorated with wire figurines that will hold on to notes, drawings, and photos. Beautiful and very comfortable. Next, you need 4 wooden planks. Hot glue them at a right angle. Take boxes from Oreo cookies. Draw a corner on the box. Cut it out with a box cutter. Cut the second box in a semicircle. Glue foam paper on the boxes to make pieces of a pencil. Fasten the pencils to the boards. Use hot glue. Put books between the planks. The stand is ready! A great idea for people who want to decorate their rooms with something unique. And let's decorate this boring notepad with ribbons. Choose whatever colors you want and cut the ribbons into equal parts. Open the notebook. Hot glue the ends of the blue ribbons to the inside of the cover. Attach pink ribbons to the upper part of the cover. Close the notebook and start weaving. Intertwine the ribbons to make a chessboard pattern. To do this, you should pass the ribbon on top and under the horizontal stripes. You get flat squares. Finish the weaving and secure the ends of the ribbons. To do this, hot glue them to the back of the cover. Hide the rough edges of the ribbons under the sheet of colored paper. Voila! Now your notebook is stylish and classy. And for the next craft, you'll need another Pringles can. Turn the jar upside down and divide it into sectors using a marker. Continue the lines along the walls. Make holes over the entire surface of the jar using manicure scissors. Take a hot glue gun and squeeze out hot glue along the marker lines. Try to make the lines from uneven droplets. Apply the same pattern on the bottom. Then, once the layer is dry, apply hot glue again. Paint the jar green. Place the cactus in a flower pot. Insert pencils instead of needles. The result is a cool cactus pencil stand. And don't forget to sharpen the pencils so that the needles of the cactus stay sharp. And now you need a piece of yellow felt. Draw a cat face. Cut it out along the outline. Fasten shiny ears, a nose, and bangs. Glue on a red tongue. Draw a smile with a black marker. Decorate the face with dots. Fasten an elastic band to the back of the mask. Use a glue gun. You got a bright cover for a notebook or a notepad. The elastic band stretches well, so this cover will fit on a notebook of any size. You could also use it as a bookmark for your notes. Take funny selfies and surprise your friends with an imaginative approach to school supplies. And for the next idea, you need a jar of paint and a hot glue gun. Get hot glue on the lid. Rotate the jar to distribute the glue evenly all around. Leave the middle part empty. Smooth the surface with the tip of the glue gun. The result is a small transparent donut. Cover it with acrylic paint. Decorate with strips of colored glaze. It looks delicious! Hot glue the piece to a pen. A sweet snack on this pen will warm anyone's heart. A regular notebook cover looks completely uninteresting. Let's fix that! You will need red foam paper. Cover the notebook with it. Glue pieces of green foam paper of different shades to the bottom edge of the cover. You should get such a striped corner. Take a piece of glass and a hot glue gun. Put the paper with a pattern under the glass. Draw with hot glue droplets. Now you need a black permanent marker. Color the droplets black. They look like watermelon seeds. Glue them to Foamiran. The result is very juicy, and the cover of a small notebook can be decorated with a yellow lemon slice. Bright, fruity school supplies will definitely make you popular in school. Did you like our fun ideas for school supplies? Then let us know in the comments which of them you will use. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell to be the first to watch the most interesting and trendy life hacks from Troom Select.